Okay, big progress on our drum and bass track today. I would say the track is musically done. We have reached the end of the piece here. It will be officially 4 minutes and 44 seconds long, which our goal, if you'll remember, was 4.5 minutes. We pretty much followed the roadmap that we saw from Metric. We took a little bit of a deviation in here. The main thing we added here was kind of at the end where we recapped basically this kind of trap section. And the other thing we did was a lot of like fine tuning of the mix. I don't know what to call this track, but I've been thinking about Rocket League montages while I've been working on it here. I think this might be called The Age of Zen. That's it, folks. That's the track. I mean, we're definitely kind of in a rough spot right now. Like I would call this like a rough track. I wouldn't say this is final in any way, shape, or form. We got a few mixing things to figure out, and a few kind of like areas that I think are a little bit boring right now. I think when this trap beat first comes in, this whole bit could use a few more little sounds, and the end also in particular could use a few more sounds. There's a few things that I think are a little underused. This little break beat here, I think, could be, and don't use this anywhere else in the piece. I think this could definitely be something we use to transition to other places too. But as far as things we added today, other than the end here, was tightening up a lot of mixing, going through a lot of things and just like adjusting by like a decibel here, a decibel there. Also, most notably, putting a shaper box on our lead that is the same shaper box we use on the basses. I felt like the kick was still getting lost in things, so I just soloed the kick and then started to unmute things and see like, sounds fine. Sounds fine. I was surprised to find that it seemed that the lead, despite being kind of a higher register sound, especially one that I've got this really aggressive cut on, was still really eating at the sound of our kick drum. And even if you remute everything else and just play the lead with the kick, it's definitely taking it away, and I still struggle a little bit to tell how much is placebo and how much is not, but I really, it's a subtle thing that is giving the kick drum some space in the lead there. But yeah, as far as other things I added today, there wasn't a lot of new things. There was a lot of like kind of cycling old things around and then doing a lot of mixing. So yeah, that's where this track's at, Age of Zen. Let me know in the comments if you have a better name suggestion. Thanks so much for watching. See you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.